Hey there, so I was researching on how you can fix the Sceptre monitor if you don't have signal there. And I know that you can like plug it off, then wait for 30 seconds, then plug it in, the standard ways how to fix it. But I just like read this and maybe it's going to help you fix the issue. So for instance, having this might stumble across this. My monitor was working fine, plugging new Xbox in just to see how it worked. Then after my PC wouldn't work, nothing worked, even with various cords. Follow the annoying simple advice along that never works. Anyway, took my monitor to a different outlet in the kitchen. Plugged in there, came on the fine like normal. Took it back to my normal setup and was back working like normal. Maybe it's the magic of the kitchen outlet. I'm not saying that you should go to the kitchen, to the outlet on some like a funny way, but what you can do, try different outlet in, let's say, different room, and to see if it's going to work. Maybe it's not, and I'm sorry, just wasted your 1 minute, but maybe it's going to help you, and if it does, I'm really happy. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.